Good morning everyone. I Razia Pathan from Gnan Manjari Vidyapith, standard 5th. So students, in the unit number 6 है वो हमारा fractions के related है, right? So here today I'll recap little bit. हम recap करेंगे first of all fractions के बारे में. Fractions क्या है? Like fractions and unlike fractions, that I'll show you here. And after that we'll start worksheet number 3rd and worksheet number 4th. Okay everyone, so I'll show you that. So look at this picture. In this picture here is a fraction. There was a cake with the part. For example, ये जो आप लोगों को circle show off हो रहा है, think about this one is a cake. And with the 6 part, how many parts are there? 6 part. Now, in that 6 part, there were the 3 friends. How many friends are there? 3 friends. Ali, Babu and Chandu. How many friends are there? Ali, Babu and Chandu. Now, Ali took one piece of the cake. अली ने कितना यहाँ पे अली ने कितने पीसेस लिए? one piece. What fractions did Ali take? How many fractions did Ali take? So in that 1/6, because अली ने सिर्फ और सिर्फ कितने पीस लिए? Only one piece. That's the reason. Now next one. Babu took 2 pieces. ओके, बाबू ने कितने पीसेस लिए? 2 pieces. What was the fractions about take? So in that, Babu take 2/6 fraction. Why 2/6? Because of Babu take 2/6 2 pieces उसने लिए, ठीक है. And last one is a Chandu. So Chandu ने कितने pieces लिए? 3 pieces. So what did he taken? What fraction did he taken? So in that, Chandu take 3/6. How many fraction? 3/6. Ali 1/6, Babu 2/6 and Chandu 3/6. Now, same denominators are there. Now look at the denominators about the Ali, Babu and Chandu. Same denominators 6, 6 and 6. So same denominators are there because all them took pieces of the same cake. एक ही केक में से सबने pieces लिए थे, ठीक है. The denominators are same. So उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे denominators है वो कैसे रहे? Same रहे. Now like fraction. So in that, what was the like fractions? That 1/6, 2/6 and 3/6. Okay. So in that, fractions with the same denominators are called like fraction. जिसकी डिनोमीटर्स है वो सेम रहेंगे उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? व्हाट वी सेड, लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस आर पार्ट ऑफ द सेम वॉल. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस है वो उसके पार्ट है, वो सेम वॉल में से वो पार्ट हो गए, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/6, 2/6, 3/6 वेर पार्ट ऑफ द सेम केक. यहाँ पे जो केक के पार्ट है वो सेम है. नाउ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. सो लाइक फ्रैक्शंस एग्जाम्पल, ऑल आवर डिनोमीटर्स आर सेम. नाउ सी 5/6, 4/6, 3/6 and 2/6. Next one is a 1/8, 5/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/10, 2/10, 9/10 and 7/10. So here all the denominators are same. Now look at this and write it down in your notebook. Okay. Now see, there was one cake with 4 pieces. There was another cake with the 6 pieces. Okay. First cake with the 4 pieces. Second cake with the 6 pieces. Now अली ate 2 pieces of the first cake. अली ने फर्स्ट केक में से कितने पीसेस ईट किए? 2 pieces. What was the fraction about that? 2/4 is there. Then Babu ate 2 pieces of the second cake. So बाबू ने 2 pieces ईट किए second piece में से. What was the fraction about that? 2/6. Now Ali 2/4 and Babu 2/6. Difference denominators. Denominators are difference because they took the pieces of the difference cake. इन दोनों ने पीसेस तो लिए थे बट डिफरेंस केक में से लिए थे. ठीक है. विथ द डिफरेंस पीसेस डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंस. डिफरेंस पीसेस में से अगर वो लोग केक लेंगे देन डिनोमिनेटर्स आर ऑब्वियस डिफरेंस आर देयर. सो fractions with the difference denominators are called the unlike fraction. अगर यहाँ पे unlike fractions में क्या है, डिनोमिनेटर से वो डिफरेंस ले आएंगे, दैट कॉल्ड द unlike fraction. Unlike fractions are part of the difference whole. Unlike fractions से वो क्या है, part of the difference whole है. Now example 2/4 and 2/6 were पार्ट ऑफ द डिफरेंस केक. वो क्या है, पार्ट ऑफ द डिफरेंस केक में से लिए थे. नाउ एग्जाम्पल अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन. अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन हम किसको बोलेंगे, जिसके डिनोमिनेटर से वो डिफरेंस रहेंगे. नाउ सी लुक एट फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. ऑल द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंस. 1/2, 3/4, 5/8, 4/6. 1/5, 2/6, 4/8, 6/9. Same here. 3/10, 2/3, 4/5 and 1/7. So this one is a unlike fraction. Okay, now look at this and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now here is a like and unlike fraction. How will identify the like and unlike fractions? So in that, this is fractions like or unlike. So 1/6. Now see, first we have to look at only the denominator. Denominators are same. Yes. So this one is a like fraction. Now next one. Here denominators are same or difference. 7, 2, 12 and 7. So this one is the denominators are different. So obvious this one is a unlike fraction. Then again 5, 5, 2, 6. This one is a unlike fractions because denominators are different. Next one is a all the denominators are same. See 10, 10 and 10. So all the denominators are same. So this one is a like fraction. Here again 1/7, 1/7, 1/7. Denominators are same. This one is a like fraction. Got it everyone? Here again denominators are the same. Like fraction. Now you guess out this. 2/8, 1/6, 2/8, 1/9. Denominators are different. So this one is a unlike fraction. Got it everyone? Next, these are fractions unlike or like. So denominators are different. So this one is a unlike fraction. Okay. So now you all are knowing which one is a like fraction and which one is the unlike fraction. Okay everyone? Okay students, so here like and unlike fraction worksheet number 3rd. So in that worksheet, fractions that show the same amount are equivalent fraction 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8. 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8. Both the fractions show the same amount. बोथ द फ्रैक्शंस की अमाउंट है वो सेम है, ठीक है. सो 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8 are equivalent fraction. Now look at this. Okay students, now look at here. Equivalent fraction. So in that equivalent fraction 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4. Represent these two fractions in the pictorial. So 1 out of 2 parts, so draw 2 parts. Draw 2 parts. Shaded one part is there, and then here is a one rectangle. 2 upon 4 equal parts is 4. Out of 2 out of 4 parts, so draw 4 parts and shaded 2 parts. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, 4 parts draw किए and 2 parts वो shaded किए because of the numerical is a 2. After that, both the fractions shown the same amount. बोथ द फ्रैक्शंस दोनों की अमाउंट कैसी है, सेम अमाउंट इज देयर. 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4 आर इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. ये जो फ्रैक्शंस है वो कैसे है, इक्विवेलेंट है बिकॉज ऑफ द 1 upon 2. 2 2s are 4. हियर क्या है, यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिलेगा, 4. सो आर द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. ये जो फ्रैक्शंस है वो इक्विवेलेंट है. फाइंड द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2. सो ड्रॉ द फ्रैक्शंस. यहाँ पे हमने एक फ्रैक्शंस, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हियर, वी हैव टू ड्रॉ वन फ्रैक्शन. Now see, size, both the size are equal into a 2 smaller part. 2 smaller part is there. This part has been the divide into 2 parts. ये जो part है पूरा वो divide into 2 parts है, and this part is a divide into 2 parts. So now look at both the part. Both the parts are same, right? So this one is the equivalent fraction. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, equivalent fraction. Got it? Now write the same fraction 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4. So now see, both the size are same, but the here is a 2 parts is there and here is a 1 part is there. So this one is a equivalent fraction. Now repeat again by how divide into 3 parts. So in that 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 4, 3 upon 6. So this one is a divided, 3 parts are there, right? So these are the equivalent fraction. Now all the fractions show the same amount. सारे जो जितने भी fractions है उसके amount कैसे है, same amounts are there. So 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 are the equivalent fraction. Got it everyone? Now look at this. Okay students, so here worksheet number 3, first one question is find the equivalent fractions by the shading the same amount. So in that 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6, here is the same amount, right? Then next one is the 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 and here is a box 4. So what we have to do, 2 parts we have to shade it here. How many parts we have to shade it here? 2 parts we have to shade it here, and here we have to write 2. 2 upon 4. What we have to write? 2 upon 4 because the amount are same. Now next one is 3 upon 5. So here we have to write 3 upon 5 because of in the one picture we have to shade it here. Sorry. 10. Now see, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we have to write 10 and same amount we have to do. So 6 part we have to shade it here, then only same amount will get. Okay. So what we have to write here? 6. What we have to write here? 6. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Here we have completed worksheet number 3rd. Also we'll recap about the like and unlike fractions. Now what you have to do, you have to complete the worksheet number 3rd, write it down in your workbook, and then you have to send it to homework before 3 o'clock in the WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, I hope so you all are understood all the things, and you have to learn the tables, then you'll get you how to learn easily. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.